Welcome, Lucinda. Lucinda Gibbons, you are here to talk a little bit about your presentation that we will see at the State of Therapy Conference in September at Clark University. And your topic is Partnership in Practice, Tools and Tech for Guiding Couples Towards Sustainable Labor Equity. Can you tell us a little bit about that and what your inspiration is for this topic?
Absolutely. So I work a ton with the Fair Play method. I'm the lead clinical trainer for all clinicians across the world in getting Fair Play method certified. And I work primarily with couples doing the Fair Play method. And one thing that I have noticed and learned over the years of doing that is that there really are so many solvable, actionable practices that we can use in our daily life in the same way that we can with our paid work and our unpaid work and the things that we really put significant effort into and want to pay dividends out of. We can do the same with our relationship, but we do have to make it a practice. And we do have to adopt those rituals, if you will, and those best practices. So I love talking about this. It is a wonderful way to get sort of a bang for your buck, if you will, out of couples work and making sure that you can help people make change out of the things that are the very solvable items fairly quickly. And then we get that messiness out of the way. That's easily solvable, if you will, and we can get to the more complex messiness. And in that, there's a whole new field of technology called FamTech, family technology.
About that. Yeah.
Yeah, that has really emerged over the last few years. Lots of apps, lots of AI assistants, all kinds of different things that are existing in an effort to help people manage the domestic equity in their home, the emotional labor, the cognitive labor of doing life as an adult. And some of it's incredible. Some of it sounds incredible and might not be so much, but it's an entirely new frontier to navigate. And it comes into the room with us as clinicians because folks are looking for anything they can, as we know, to find some relief. So we've got to familiarize ourselves with it. And even if we don't know every single app, every single piece of technology that exists out there, I'm going to talk us through a framework for how to sort of get familiar with each new item that our clients might be bringing into the space with us so that we can ask the questions that allow us to know, is this something that's going to be helpful? Is this something that has some pitfalls? Why is this person or why are these people reaching for this as the answer? Because it also clinically can tell us a lot about what we can do, what the goals are there, right? And what really the presenting problem is.
Can you talk a little bit about why this topic is particularly important right now for
Absolutely.
therapists? Yeah.
Absolutely. FamTech in particular is an overwhelming new frontier of technology and of life, and figuring out how to quickly assess what's going on with something that somebody brings into the work with you is really, really important. And just sort of getting our arms around it, not being afraid of it, but knowing that there are some real benefits and some real pitfalls, just like absolutely anything else that exists in the world. But we can't bury our heads in the sand. We have to become familiar with it. And the reason that it's a burgeoning arena is because there's an enormous need. Just like anything else that takes off, it's filling a need, or it's attempting to, it's answering a need that exists there that we have to listen to, which is, it is a lot. I say all the time, actually too much, to do the work of humaning and adulting in 2025, especially for folks who are trying to maintain partnerships, especially for folks who are trying to maintain partnerships and raise children or take care of parents who are aging or both, or folks with special needs or anything, right? Caregiving responsibilities and existing as a grown-up in this world right now currently requires more of us than it has ever required with less supports than we've ever had.